everyone, and welcome back to the English Academy. I'm Lena.
Hi, Lena, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Sam, and I'm really happy to be here with you today.
It's great to see you, Sam. You look very cheerful. Today, you have a big smile on your face.
I do. I feel really good. This year is almost finished.
Yes, can you believe it? The end of the year is already here. Time went so quickly.
It went super fast, like a train rushing past the station. Whoosh.
Exactly. And because the year is ending, we have a very special episode today.
Ooh, a special episode. I love special episodes. So what are we talking about?
Today, we are going to talk about how to plan your new year.
Planning the new year. That sounds big. And maybe a little scary?
It can feel big, but we're going to make it easy and clear. We'll talk about simple ways to organize your life for the coming year.
I really need this. I'm not very organized. My plans are usually a mess.
Don't worry, Sam. We will help you, and we will help everyone who is listening.
Perfect. But Lena, before we start planning,
Yes,
we should ask our friends for a small favor.
you're right. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button now
And don't forget to subscribe to the English Academy.
and share this video with a friend. Maybe you can plan your new year together.
That's a great idea. Planning with a friend is more fun. Okay, Lena, I'm ready. How do I plan my year?
First, we do not start with the future. We start with the past.
The past? But we want to plan the new year.
I know, but first we must look back at the year. That is ending. We call this reflection.
Reflection, like when you look at yourself in a mirror?
Yes, exactly. You look at your year like it is a mirror. You ask yourself, what was good this year?
I understand. I think about the good things from this year.
Yes, we can call these good things your highlights.
Highlights. Okay, so I make a list of my best moments.
Right. Take a notebook and write down 3 to 5 happy things from this year.
Let me think. This year I visited the mountains with my cousins. That was a big highlight.
That's a great example. When you remember it, you feel happy, right?
Yes, I remember the fresh air and the beautiful view. It was wonderful.
So you write that down. It helps you see what is really important to you.
Okay, step 1, write down the good things. From this year, what is step 2?
Step 2 is about the future, but we must be careful.
Be careful? Why? Is planning dangerous?
No, not dangerous, but many people make the same mistake. They make a very long list of goals.
Oh, that's me. I write. I will go to the gym every day. I will read 60 books. I will start a business. I will learn Spanish and Japanese.
Sam, that is way too much. You will be exhausted by the middle of January.
Yes, usually I stop everything in February.
Exactly. So for simple planning, you choose just one big goal.
Only one? Just one big thing?
Yes, one big thing that you really, really want.
That's hard. I want many things.
If you choose one, you can focus. Is your big goal about money? About health? About English?
I think my big goal for next year is health. I want to be stronger and have more energy.
That is an excellent goal. So you write it down in big letters. Health.
Okay, I am writing it in my mind. Health.
Now your big goal needs small steps.
Right, I cannot just be strong suddenly. I have to do things to become strong.
Exactly. So what is one small step for health?
Maybe move more. Walk more.
Yes. For example, I will walk for 20 minutes every day. That is a small, simple step.
That sounds easy. I can do that. I can walk to the bakery.
Maybe walk to the park, not only to the bakery, but yes, it's a simple habit.
I like this. One big goal in small steps. It doesn't feel scary.
Yes, it feels possible. Now, step 3. This is my favorite part.
What is it?
You need a calendar.
A calendar on my phone?
You can use your phone, but I prefer a big paper calendar on the wall, where you can see many months at the same time.
Oh, I see. So you can see the whole year in one place.
Yes, when you can see your year, you can see all the special days.
Special days like New Year's or Christmas?
Yes, holidays, but also birthdays and anniversaries. Sam, are you good at remembering birthdays?
Not really. Last year I forgot my brother's birthday. He was not very happy.
Oh no, Sam.
I know. I felt terrible.
See? You need a calendar.
You're right. I need to write all the dates.
So sit down with your calendar, write the birthdays of your family and friends, write the holidays in your country.
Okay, that's a good idea. Then I will not forget my brother again.
Good. And you can also plan your rest time and your fun time.
Fun time? I have to plan fun?
Yes, work is important, but rest is also important. You can plan a vacation, a short trip, or just a long weekend.
I like that. In July, I will go to the beach with my friends. I can write that on my calendar.
Perfect. When you write it down, it feels more real. You can look at the calendar and feel excited.
I'm already excited. I want to go now.
You have to wait for the summer, Sam.
Okay. So we have reflection, one big goal. With small steps and a calendar, is there more?
Yes, there is a very beautiful idea called the word of the year.
The word of the year? What does that mean?
It means you choose one word. This one word is your theme or your feeling for the new year.
Just one word for the whole year? Can you give me an example?
Sure, my word for next year is balance.
Balance. That's a nice word. Why? Did you choose balance?
Because this year I worked a lot and I was often tired. Next year I want a better balance between work, rest, and family. I don't want only work. I want balance.
I like that. It sounds healthy.
What about you, Sam? What is your word?
Maybe grow.
Grow. I like that. Why grow?
Because I want to grow in many ways. Grow in my skills, grow in my mind. Maybe grow my savings too.
That's wonderful. So when you have to make a choice, you remember your word.
So if I am lazy and I want to watch TV all evening, I can say, "No, Sam, your word is grow. Do something that helps you grow, write a book or practice English."
Exactly. Your word helps you make decisions. It is a very simple idea, but very powerful.
Just one word in simple English, but with a big meaning.
Now, Sam, we are an English channel, so we must plan our English learning too.
Yes, of course. How can we plan our English for the new year?
First, don't say, "I will be perfect" in English next year.
But I want to be perfect.
Perfection takes a very long time and it can make you feel stressed. Instead, choose something practical and clear. For example, I will listen to an English podcast every Wednesday.
Yes, that's a good plan. It is very specific.
Or I will learn 5 new English words every week.
That's smart. If I learn 5 words each week, that is, let me count.
Uh-oh, math time.
That is more than 250 words in 1 year.
Exactly. 5 words times 52 weeks equals 260 words. That's a lot of new vocabulary from one small habit.
Wow, 260 words. And it doesn't feel difficult.
Small, regular steps are very powerful.
I feel motivated now. I want to get my notebook.
That is another tip. Get a special notebook for English.
A special notebook?
Yes, I love stationery. New pens, new paper. New notebooks, they make me happy.
I know you, Lena. You probably have 100 pens.
Maybe. I won't say the real number, but buying a new notebook for the new year makes you feel like you have a fresh start.
A clean page. I like that feeling.
On the first page, write something like, My English Plan 2025 or whatever the year is when you're watching. Decorate it. Make it beautiful.
Can I use colors?
Use all the colors you like: blue, red, green, yellow. Make it fun and personal.
Okay, I will buy a green notebook. Green is my favorite color.
Perfect.
So, Lena, do you think I am ready for the new year now?
Yes, I think you are. And I hope our listeners feel ready too. Let's review the steps for everyone.
Okay, step 1, reflection. Look back at this year and write down your highlights, the good things.
Step 2, one big goal. Don't choose 10 big goals. Choose one and then break it into small steps.
Step 3, use a calendar. Write birthdays, holidays, and also your fun days like trips and vacations.
Step 4, pick a word of the year. One word like balance, grow, happy. Travel, a word that guides you.
Step 5, plan your English. Make simple habits like 1 podcast day or 5 new words each week.
Step 6, get a nice notebook. Write your plans, your new words, and your ideas. A clean notebook helps your brain feel clear.
This is really helpful, Lena. Thank you.
You're welcome, Sam. Planning is good for your mind. When you write things down, you feel less stressed.
Yes, when it is on paper, my head is more quiet. I can relax.
That's what we want, a calm, happy new year.
I think it's going to be a great year.
I agree, and we will be here on the English Academy every week to help you.
Yes, we are part of your plan. Put us in your calendar.
I love that idea. Now, before we say goodbye, we have a question for you.
Yes, an important question.
In the comments below, please tell us, what is your word of the year?
Is it health, travel, family, confidence, English?
Write your word in the comments. We really want to read them. They are very inspiring.
Yes, please share with us. And one last time, if you are new here, subscribe to the English Academy and share this video with your friends and family.
Help them plan their new year too.
Thank you so much for listening today. It's always a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you, everyone. Happy planning and happy new year.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.